Hey, what are you doing, dude? I'm gonna feed the chickens. What? They're vicious! They'll eat you, bro! And I'm your only little brother! It's too dangerous. It's too much for you. No, it's not. I'm for sure they're not gonna eat me. So then why do you have armor? It's just they won't eat me and they'll spit out my armor, so I'll put my armor back. What if they eat your armor? That's so funny. They'll eat your This is gonna be so much fun. Woo! 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 You're gonna eat me for good too. My helmet! I can't get it! What are you doing? Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you! Oh! No! 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 Don't do it! Oh! Never get me! What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What are you doing to me? Oh! You're funny! Oh! I'm gonna cover that dirt! Oh my gosh! Everything is coming! I should have believed it! But it's too late already! Now they're eating me for good! Now the big, giant, vicious turkey things are coming. No, this is gonna be a bad idea. So, dude, what did it felt like? Well, my experiments that I actually saw it was so horrible and everything. They were letting me fall down. They were picking on me. They were doing everything and I'm singing I can fly like a bird and fly. Because I will fall down right now. Wait, do you think I should fall down with corn? Ah! Dude, what have you done? Dude, I'll go with you. Ah! Maybe we should go with him too. I can fly. Ah! No! So what are you gonna do? Yeah, what are you gonna do? Yeah, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm gonna feed the pigs with this big giant piece of corn. I already told you that already, remember? Oh, look, some lettuce. The lettuce is really hard to take off. Whatever, I'm just gonna eat the lettuce. Yum, 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 yum. Well, it's gonna be a piece of cake. Ah! Help me, dudes! Help me! Your shirts! Ah! He's fine. He always imagines stuff every day. He always thinks that I'm an alien at home. This is gonna be really dangerous, dude. Yeah! Are you sure about this? The pigs have big butt cheeks. Oh? Yeah, I'm sure. I'm gonna dip in. Should I dip in now? Yeah, should you? I'm not sure. Should he? Okay, whichever. Ah! Piggies! Are you gonna eat these? Don't do these. These are the color of their eggs. They're not eating me. Yay! What are you doing, Kada? Papa Pig said, "Hey, you're so yummy. I want to eat your head off." No, don't eat my head off. George said, "I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat that. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I love this." I hope I don't get lost. Then George said, "Oh my gosh, this is so good. Wait, why are you taking it away from me?" "Because this is all mine. I got it first." You're not serious. So did you lose your life? No, as you see, they got so dirty. At least I got a better idea than your idea. At least you still had your life. So what did it felt like? Well, it felt like stinkiest, more stinkiest, more stickiest, more stickiest, more stickiest, and more stickiness. Who are you gonna feed now? I'm gonna feed the dog. What? What? Let's get started to this party. Okay, when is he gonna keep track of me? Did he eat my beauty? Wait, what is he eating? He's eating the whole thing. So how's it like? It was like